Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, swatch, and a review on the Mayra and Karina palette, Himela Cosmetics. Isn't this pretty? Look how beautiful they are. Okay, so this is Mayra and this is Karina for the people that don't know. And yes, they're twin sisters. They have YouTube blogs and channels, each one of them, of course. Okay, so these are the ingredients in the back. And then, of course, Himela Cosmetics, if you want to go take a look at their products there. So they have this palette, and then they also have a lip liner, a clear lip gloss, and I think it's a gloss, another gloss. So they have like about four products. But let's go ahead and try it out. I've been so excited to buy this palette. I'm not kidding. I like these girls, their channels, the way that they basically vibe. And I was so excited. I've been wanting to buy this palette since it came out at last year, 2022, but I couldn't get it. And then I waited to Black Friday to see if they had any deals, and I was like, okay, I'm ready. And then funny story, so I went into Mayra's channel because she had posted a story of that they were having a sale for Black Friday, and I was like, yes. Immediately I went into the web page and I added it to my cart, all of the products to my cart, and then I was like, wait, something's going on here, like this doesn't look right. So maybe because that's the person that I am, I messaged Mayra on Instagram and I was like, girly, hi, like, I don't know if you guys made an error. Before I purchase this, I want to make sure that it's not an error, and if it's good, and if I don't hear anything, basically if I don't hear anything back, like, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase it. But I just wanted to let you know, like, basically that I think there's an error because of the price that's showing up in the cart. And I didn't hear anything back, and I waited a little bit, and well, actually I waited a while, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna put the order in, I'm gonna go to sleep. And I took off the lip liner, the lip gloss, and the other lipstick or lip gloss that they had too. I think it's the three of them that I took out. I took them out of my cart because I didn't want it, if it was a mistake on their behalf, like, I felt bad if it was, so I didn't want to purchase the whole collection, which I wanted, I'm not gonna lie. So I took out all the products apart from the palette off because of course I wanted all of the products. That's what I've been wanting since they came out, and I saw the opportunity. But then I was like, if this was an error on their behalf, I don't want to be that person. I want to kind of see what's going on in the morning. I'm like, okay. So I put the order for the palette, and I was like, yes, I got it, because I was afraid that this was gonna sell out. And when I woke up, I saw that Mayra had posted that there was a mistake. Somebody had messed up on their end, their team or something like that. I don't know who it was. But yeah, and they had posted the palette, the 50% off, plus once you add it to your cart, it was another like % off. So yeah, I felt bad for them and everything. Like I said, I didn't want to buy the whole collection, so I stopped myself so I wouldn't do that. And I know some people are going to come after me and be like, no, but they have money. But it's not that. It's not that. I know I wanted the collection, and I didn't feel good purchasing all of it if it was going to be a mistake on their behalf. And then once I put the palette, because I really wanted the palette and I knew that it was going to sell out, that's why I put the order in. I was like, if it's a mistake, well, either way, they're going to go ahead and cancel it. And I didn't hear anything for, I believe it was a week, 7 days. And on the 7th day, I got an alert in my email saying that it was processing, going to be shipped. And I was like, okay. So I didn't expect anything. I thought that it was just like an error again, and it arrived. So here it is. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Like, I really have been wanting all their collection. So let's go ahead. Like I said, this is a review, a swatch, and I'll let you guys know my real opinions on it, even though I really like these girls. They feel like they're like oddly like cousins or something, which they're not. It's just... Okay, let's get on to the video. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Okay. Oh. But it goes away. This is cool. On the back. Of course. So it does have a mirror, guys. I'm like trying to... No. So it does have a mirror, guys. It's like right there. Let's see if I can... It also has this protective film. Let's take a look at this. These are pretty. Sorry. These are really pretty. I'm trying to like unfold this, but okay. So here we go. We have Bunny, Imagine, Glam, Queen, Garcia, Vicky, Hey Girl Hey, Double Trouble, Aquarius, Self-Made, 1994, Womb Buddy, Teddy, Brownie, and Nocturnal. Glam and Queen have like little flakes in them. I don't know if this can... Time to swatch. So for swatching, I'm going to go in the same order that I just read them. You can see there's 15 of them. I'm going to go with Bunny. Ooh, this is soft. This is really soft. Imagine. Glam. Queen. These are a little like flaky and you can feel the roughness on them, but oh wow. I'm going with Garcia. Okay, Vicky. Hey Girl Hey. Whoa. Double Trouble. Aquarius. Self-Made. $19.94. Womb Buddy. Teddy. Brownie. Nocturnal. So now I'm gonna go get my face done, apart from my eyes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I did something with my face really quick, and now I'm just gonna go do something with my eye. So I'm gonna start with the transition shade, the 1994. Okay, Like, I don't know if you guys can see. Like, I tap it in here. And of course, like a fallout, and fallout, which is normal, like I said. I don't count that as a big thing. Okay, you know what? I want to use Double Trouble, Aquarius, and Self-Made. I want to use them. Let's see how it comes out. My baby actually wants me to use the purple and the blue, which is Double Trouble and Aquarius, and I want Self-Made, so let's see how that goes and works. So you guys, even when I tap it, this one does have a lot of fallout, but again, I don't really count that because palettes are like that. So let's see how it goes on the eyes. Ooh, wow. Okay, so now this is what I ended up with so far, and I'm gonna use Aquarius for the inner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead with where is it at? Aquarius. Oh, this one doesn't really have fallout. Ooh. Okay, I'll be right back. So for what I have, again, with makeup, you always have to trust the process. So now I'm going to do Self-Made at the bottom. So guys, here's the final product, and I'm going to give you guys my review of everything, what I thought about this palette. So first of all, this is my look. Okay, honest opinion. This palette is so good. You know what the formula kind of feels like the ColourPop cosmetic one? It's like so buttery, and the thing that I really liked about this is that it builds up. Like the blue, I built it up a lot, and you can definitely see it. Of course, there's fallout with the palette as any other palette. These colors are beautiful, beautiful. So I was a little iffy about the 1994 one because I really thought it wasn't gonna be a good transition shade, or it wasn't gonna show up, or it wasn't gonna the 1994, because I really thought it wasn't gonna build up, or it wasn't gonna show, it wasn't gonna be a good transition shade. But I was wrong. Like, it's like really good, and it showed up in my skin, and my skin tone, it's a little bit kind of like that shade of the 1994. So sometimes it's very hard to find good transition shades, if that makes sense, because they blend in into my skin. Like, you'd see like there's nothing there. But this one actually showed up, and it's Latina approved. I really, really like it. Like I said, the formula for the eyeshadows, for the ones I used, which was the Double Trouble, Aquarius, and Self-Made in 1994. Those were really good. I want to try more looks with the rest of them. I'm very happy with this palette. Girls, both of you, Mayra and Karina, did such a good job with this palette. This is a really nice palette. I want to try out the other ones, like the Glam and the Queen, because they do seem like, when I was swatching them, they seemed a little bit more rough than the other ones. But I think that's because of the little like flakes that it has. I don't know if you guys can see those little like flakes that it has. Right there. But definitely looking forward to trying more of the palette, trying different looks. Of course, my baby chose these colors. Oh, I chose the green at the bottom, but I'm very happy because it's something that I did out of my comfort zone, and I actually love the way it looks. Like, if you guys can't see it on the camera, you'll definitely be able to see it in person. And it's just vibrant, it's pretty, and I like it a lot. So the cons of this is some of them had more fallout than the others. Like Aquarius had a little bit more fallout, but like I said, it's normal with any makeup eyeshadow palette. Every palette is going to have fallout, whether people like it or not. But for me, that wasn't a con. I'm just saying, like, my review, because I know some of you might want to know. The pros, of course, it felt buttery. They build up and they show up. So yes, final thought is that I'm very happy with this palette. The formula seems very good from what I can tell. Like, again, my eyes. So yeah, I really like this palette. So again, Mayra, Karina, if you make more products, let me know, because I definitely want to try more of this. And I really want to get the rest of the collection, so we'll see how that goes. But so far, if you can, go purchase it. It's worth it. It's worth the money. It really is. So those are my 2 cents. I hope you guys like this unboxing, swatching, review that I made. And I hope you guys are good wherever you're at. And if you're not, keep your head up and keep going. We've got this. And I hope you guys have a good start of the year and I hope you guys have a good start of the year, since it's 2023 now. And I hope to see you guys more around. I really do. I really like making these type of videos, because it helps me personally with the way I do something that I really like, and that's makeup. So, okay guys, have a wonderful day, night, evening, wherever you're at. Be safe, and that's it. See you next time. Bye.